Hi, welcome to YouTube channel. And uh, today we discuss the differentiation. And we have read about the differentiation previous video. And uh, and we have also read about the many type of uh, definition of differentiation, and we find the differentiation of the many function as sine theta, cos theta, sec theta, cosec theta, tan theta. We find the differentiation of all function, and and we know that the find the differentiation of constant is 0. Root x, differentiation of root x equal to 1 by 2 root x. And here we discuss the inverse trigonometric function, in derivative of inverse trigonometric function, and how to from range to range, and domain to domain, and what the domain of sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, and principal value of sine theta, cos theta. So then we know that here today we discuss the tan theta, cos theta, and how to find the differentiation trigonometry function, inverse trigonometry function of sine theta, cos theta. And I want to say that mathematics without mathematics there nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. And one good book, good teacher, and good pen can change life. But I earn money every day, every time, and money is easy. Money is easy, but time is difficult, energy is difficult. And be carefully listen. I repeat that very, very important facts for you, for a student. Money is easy, but time is difficult, energy is difficult. And I read the English medium, but English is a language. And we discuss here the without mathematics there nothing you can do. Everything around us. Before starting, you guys to subscribe my to YouTube channel. Second things, make sure you watch this video completely my channel, share it with friends, and click like button. Here come to point, come to the inverse trigonometry function. Inverse trigonometry function, derivative of inverse trigonometry function. So we recall that the definition of inverse trigonometry function, calculus function, and their domains, and range, inverse trigonometry function, and inverse trigonometry function are continuous function, and inverse function. We consider the any function and the value of x, then we find the y, and independent of y. Here come to point, we look carefully. Inverse trigonometric function domain range, and serial number. तो फंक्शन let y is equal to sine inverse at which is the domain of sine inverse minus 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 1, minus 1 to 1. Value of x is expressed the minus 1 to 1, and range, we call the principal value of function minus pi by 2 less than equal to y less than equal to pi by 2. Y, the value of y is equal to minus pi by 2 less than equal to y less than equal to pi by 2. Negative angle and positive angle, which is called the principal value. And same to function y is equal to cos inverse minus 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 1, 0 less than equal to y less than equal to pi, and 3 y is equal to tan inverse domain minus infinity less than x less than infinity. Range, we call the principal value minus pi by 2 less than pi y less than pi by 2, and next y is equal to cot inverse domain minus infinity less than x less than infinity, and range 0 less than y less than pi less than pi. Y is equal to sec inverse x domain x less than equal to minus 1 या x greater than equal to 1, and range 0 less than equal to y less than equal to pi, comma y does not pi by 2, y does not angle 90 degree या pi by 2. Here where we take the value of pi is 180. 180 means that 180. And in last function y is equal to cosec inverse x, a domain x less than equal to minus 1 या x greater than equal to 1, minus pi by 2 less than equal to y less than equal to pi by 2, comma y does not 0. Y does not 0 because sin inverse 0 gives the 1 value, but y does not 0, and find the differentiation of all inverse function, trigonometric function, and inverse of function. Let y is equal to f of x be a differential function in its domain of definition. Let inverse function of y is equal to f of x exist, and let del x means that del x refinement या increment be a small change, but x plus del x is a small change in y determined by y is equal to f of x. Then corresponding to change del y means that a small change small change in y change del y in y change in determined by x is equal to phi of y the will be del x. Now del y f of x plus del x f then, and here function we find the differentiation of inverse function as sine inverse, cos inverse and tan inverse, and helpful domain range, and we know that the sine differentiation of sine inverse is equal to 1 by root under 1 minus x square. So we find we will the reach 1 by root under 1 minus x square. And look here, be carefully, find the derivative of sine inverse with respect to x, assuming if to exist. And solution, let y is equal to sine inverse x. This is a inverse function. Sine inverse x is a inverse function, and this is a continuous function also. We know domain -1 less than equal to x less than equal to 1, and range minus pi by 2 less than equal to y is equal to pi by 2. And from first x equal to sine inverse y, because x stop and sine inverse across the y, then we make the x is equal to sine y, and differentiating both side with respect to x, and we get dy upon dx is equal to d of sine y by angle y. Then we write the dy into dy upon dx, because this is a chain rule, and we know the chain rule is a closed with chain like, and expressing long term, then this is a chain rule, and this is a chain rule. And differentiation of sine y, sine y, differentiation of sine y, to dx upon dy is equal to 1 is equal to, and differentiation of sine y is equal to cos y into, and dy upon dx, and therefore dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dx is equal to 1 by cos x, dy upon dx is equal to 1 by cos y. And we know that sine inverse plus cos inverse is equal to 1. We know that sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to 1. Then we find the cos y, the cos square x is equal to 1 minus sine inverse sine square x. Then cos x is equal to root under 1 minus sine square x, then we can write here root under 1 minus sine square y, and and here differentiation of sin y is equal to x is equal to 1 by root under 1 minus sine square y. Let sin y is equal to x, then dy upon dx is equal to 1 by root under 1 minus x square from definition. I hope a student of all of you understand this method and find the differentiation of all function and inverse function, and next video comes soon. Very important, and find the differentiation of any function, constant and very difficult function, and find the differentiation of this function. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you again. And any doubt, yeah, any problem, your question for 12th या 11th, तो you guys message to comment box, and watching this video. So thank you so much, thank you very much watching this video, and like video and subscribe video. Thank you so much.